I want to show here the difference of before and after of sanding these. These are the Nexgen Remix chips. And here is before sanding. You can feel that, you can hear there's maybe a grind in the where they rub each other. And then after sanding, see how it's smooth. Before. And after. And this is just a couple of seconds with some 800 or 600 grit sandpaper laying down on a flat table, and then rubbing them like that, flipping them over, rubbing them like that, and then washing and drying them. You can see the difference in the smoothness.